Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Utauga Prattville Public Library, and today I'm showing you our Zoom Story Room craft. We're going to be making a penguin. In addition to your craft kit that has several pieces of pre-cut paper, you will also need a black marker or pen and a glue stick. So we're going to take out our pieces here. If you aren't able to pick up a craft kit from the library, you can also make these pieces on your own. We have a yellow heart, two yellow hearts, pardon me, a yellow beak that looks sort of like a celebration ribbon or a bookmark as well, a big white circle or oval, a slightly smaller black circle, and two black pointed ovals to be the penguin's wings. So we're going to create our penguin here using these pieces. I also have two dot stickers, white dot stickers that we're going to use for the eyes, but we'll get to that in a second. To start, let's attach the head to the body. And I think I would like my penguin to be a little short guy. So I'm going to have the head and the body overlap quite a bit. And if I can open up my glue, there we go. Okay, we're going to put a little bit on the bottom of the head and stick that right over the top of the body and press down to secure. Next, I'm gonna do my feet, I think, because I want my wings to cover them up a little. So I'm gonna do my feet over the top. If you prefer, you can tuck your feet behind the body as well. It's totally up to you, but I like how these little points of the heart look to make the feet look kind of like they're poking out from the penguin's fluffy tummy. I think that makes it cute and fun. And so I'm going to stick these 2 feet down at the bottom of the body and press them down to secure them. Brilliant. We've got a penguin body. We're going to secure our penguin beak. And you can do this kind of in whatever order you would like. You certainly don't have to start with the same elements I did, although I do think securing the head to the body first is a good way to kind of get everything lined up. But you can have your own creative process, and that is totally a-okay. I'm putting my beak about the middle of the head, but you can put yours to the side if you'd like. And now I'm going to secure my wings with a little bit of glue. And I like my wings to overlap the body quite a bit as well. Just so my little penguin friend just has a little bit of a white belly tucking out. And not a whole lot of extra white is showing. There we are. There's our penguin. Now he needs some eyeballs so he can see where he's waddling. So I'm going to put my glue away and take out my dot stickers. If you don't have dot stickers, you can use a white crayon to draw some eyes on as well. I'm going to add one eye to each side of the face. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the pupil of the eye, the little black dot in the middle. And there we have an adorable penguin friend. Thank you guys so much for crafting with me today. I hope you had lots of fun creating your penguins. I'd love to see what you make. Put a picture in the comments if you'd like. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.